Welcome to the 2025 Guide to Etoro Crypto, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading on one of the most popular platforms. To get started, you need to understand what Etoro is: a social trading and investment platform that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies, commodities, and other assets. First, you need to create an account on Etoro, which is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and verification. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds using various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Next, you need to understand the different types of cryptocurrency available on Etoro, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular altcoins. You can browse the platform's catalog of available cryptocurrencies and learn more about each one, including its price history, market trends, and other relevant data. To start trading, you need to understand the concept of buying and selling, which involves exchanging one cryptocurrency for another or for fiat currency. Etoro offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to place trades quickly and easily, with features such as stop loss and take profit orders to help you manage your risk. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading aspect, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other successful investors. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and stay up to date with market trends. You can also join the Etoro community to discuss trading strategies and get tips from other users. In terms of best practices, it is essential to do your research and stay informed about market trends and news that may affect the price of cryptocurrencies. You should also set clear goals and risk management strategies, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Finally, Etoro offers a range of tools and features to help you stay on top of your trading, including real-time price updates, charts, and analysis. By following these steps and using these tools, you can become a successful cryptocurrency trader on Etoro and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always stay informed, manage your risk, and never stop learning, and you will be well on your way to success in the world of cryptocurrency trading.